Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We have often studied that plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. But have you ever wondered where this food is stored? Well, in this video, we are going to test some plant products and observe which one of them contains starch, which is the food prepared by the plants. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Plant Processes Activity Kit. From the kit, you will need the iodine solution and gloves. Also, from your home, you will need a slice each of potato, onion, tomato, lemon, raw banana and bread. Also take out some corn kernels and pea seeds. Other than this, you will also need a large plate and knife from your home. Arrange the slices of all these eatables on a plate. Potato, onion, tomato, lemon, raw banana, bread, some corn kernels and some pea seeds. Let's keep the plate aside for a while. Now we have to wear our gloves. Now open the bottle of iodine solution. Now take the plate containing the different food items and pour 2 drops of iodine solution on each one of them. Potato, onion, tomato, lemon, raw banana, bread. Let's cut a corn kernel with the knife. Repeat for the pea seed also. Be careful while using the knife and perform this activity with your parents. Now, let's pour the iodine solution on these two. After some time, we can see the change of color. We can observe that the potato, raw banana, bread, corn kernels and the pea seeds have turned blue-black when iodine solution is poured over them. Now what about the plant products which did not show color change? Those plants store their food in other plant parts. When the starch stored in the food products reacts with iodine, it changes the color of iodine from brown to bluish black. Thus, the food items that contain starch prepared by the plants change their color upon reaction with iodine. The plants prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis and store the excess food in different parts like their roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits in the form of starch. Food items such as potatoes, which contain more starch, are rich in carbohydrates, while the ones which have less starch have less carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are considered to be energy-giving foods, but their excess may lead to obesity. Try out the starch test on different food items and check which of them contains starch. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.